How to turn on reminders notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on reminders notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram, and here you will find your profile, and then click these three lines in the top corner, and then click settings, and then here you will find the notifications, and then click from Instagram, and as you see here you will find it on. Now just select it and go back, it will be saved, and that's how to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.